Hey everyone, here's a really easy way to do your digital CUM folders this year. You get this template, open it up, go to Synergy, open that up, find your student, right click, choose student. It's going to open up another page just for that specific student where you will be able to highlight and copy their name and also get their picture. So first thing you want to do is highlight their name, and you can do Control-C for copy or right click and copy, and then you want to go and click on their picture and choose Save Image As, and then paste in their name. Leave the PNG, save that. That's going to save to your desktop or your computer somewhere. Go back to the template, paste in the student's name. You're going to highlight that again because you're going to need to resize it down to 8. And you're also going to need to take out the highlight background. Now you're going to choose Insert Image, Upload from your computer. And then you're going to click on the image and then choose that middle setting because you want to be able to move the image around the page easily and have the writing adjust to it. So you can move the photo and then resize it. Now what you want to do is get your text in the right place just by hitting the return. And that's it. You've just done one student.